All right, we are on our last question, question 3 for section 2.2. And we are going to be looking at this question. It says, suppose U is some universal set and A is a subset of U. Find the following sets. Now, it's interesting that they don't tell us anything about A. We don't know its elements, anything about it. But we will be able to figure these out by understanding what set operations mean. So, the first one asks us to look for A intersect A complement. So let's think about what that definition really meant. Well, the intersection says you need to be in both of those sets. So we need to be in A and in A complement. Now, let's try and remember what A complement means. That means that I need to be in A and, well, A complement was the opposite of A. It meant that it was all the elements not in A. So I need to be both in A and not in A. And, well, if we think about that, it's impossible to be in A and not in A. So this would have no elements. Nothing would satisfy that. It's not possible to be in A and not in A. You can't be inside of it and outside of it at the same time. So we have to remember, well, what is our set of no elements? Well, it is the empty set. So for part A, our answer is the empty set. Which, remember, you can either use that symbol to denote, or you could write empty curly braces to denote the empty set. Okay, let's look at this second part. Well, the second part instead wants a union. So that was the collection of you could be in either of them. So this would say that you're either in A or in A complement, which means not in A. Well, now if we think about that, if you can be combining together the things that are in A or not in A, well, then that would be everything. It would be every element. Right? You're in one of those two places. You're either in A or you're not in A. There's no other option. So if we think about how to describe that, well, the set of every element is by definition that universal set. So that is the collection of everything that we're considering to be possible. So part A, our answer is the empty set, and part B, our answer is the universal set.